Oh, I guess we're not going to go. Truck's not working. Why not? Motor's not connected. Would help. Okay, now that I fired my mechanic and got a new guy mechanic to actually connect the motor leads. Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video to show you guys how the overdrive actually work on the Element RC trail walker on their transmission. Stock, it already comes with overdrive, but you can actually make it faster for the front. Overdrive means the front wheel is going to turn a little bit faster than the rear. So this is the rear wheel. What I've done is I've put a piece of tape across and a piece of tape across on this side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go forward about 3 turns with this wheel here. So let's go, we're going to make it go a little bit. That's 1, 2 turn. We'll try to make it stop right on top. You can see the front wheel is already way more ahead than the front one. So this was the top. So already this one has gone 3 turn and this one has gone a little bit farther up. So I'm going to change the transmission and give it a little bit more gearing, and we'll see how much more it's actually going to turn. So originally I had the original gears in there, which gave me 5.7% more in the front. So it turned 5.7 more in the front. So now I changed the gearings inside. It's by replacing these 2 gears. Took those out and replaced the other ones. So a bigger gear here and a smaller gear here to make sure everything works. So now I'm actually at 11.83% in the front. So let's see what that actually gives me if I turn the wheel 3 times. So let's go. Oh, I guess we're not going to go. Truck's not working. Why not? Motor's not connected. Would help. Okay, now that I fired my mechanic and got a new guy mechanic to actually connect the motor leads, maybe it's going to work. So let's give it 3 turns like we did originally. So 1, 2, a little bit more. There we go. So way more from the front now. I'm back on top here. Originally this top piece was over here. So we are way more percentage on 3 turns. So this is very interesting. So I'm going to try this on the hill, and this should be kind of neat. Now I should be able to make Sandy Hill. On 3S, this should be no problem. There's no problem. Okay, let's see what I can do. Oh, almost. Yes, sir! Good job. I guess I should really grab my other thing. What are you running? 5,000. You should be pretty good. Ça coûte des 1.5 que t'as? Oui, non, c'est des 1.9. 1.9, ok. Oui, mais les tailleurs, c'est des petits 1.9. Oui, ça je m'en dis. No, climb up. It didn't want to grip. I missed it. Oh wait, poing, poing. Ah! This might be because of my overdrive.
What percent overdrive?
It's 11% right now.
Wow.
It's usually stock, it's 5.9, I think. But I did put the overdrive on it. I did it no problem with the 5 overdrive. But with the different tires, these are a little softer tires. This is why this right now, it's not gripping. It doesn't want to.
You're so close, huh? Oh, there we go.
There we go.